go, 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 go! You guys don't have to run.
No, you don't. Confidence, man.
Mother Russia with the AKs over here.
I think you need
For the motherland!
Finally, another airsoft video after a year drought.
Alright, let's see what we got here. Not too much going on.
In this video, I'm a ref because now I work at the airsoft field every other weekend. Hopefully that's going to change soon so I can make more money every weekend, but for now it's every other weekend.
Scare tactics. It's a pretty spicy conversation before, but I don't think I'll put that in the video. I didn't even film it, but it's okay. Okay.
So this video will basically be a ref's perspective of the game. It's a lot slower and a lot less action-packed as you see everything kind of from a distance and you kind of just make sure that players are abiding by the rules and whatnot. But it's still airsoft and I still need to make a video quota, so here we are.
They're calling their hits, that's good. The other team will win. They got one guy in straw hill already. They got one dude suppressing them, one dude moving up. These guys are going to try to go for a flank though, so they could. We'll see.
Oh, and the game mode is King of Straw Hill. Whichever team has the most number of players in Straw Hill at the end of an hour wins.
It's very slow, very methodical, you know? And just taking your time. Definitely a lot more boring, but there's Crusader, the other ref, and then Hoax is over there with the orange. If it has an orange cape, it's a ref, which includes those fences over there. The refs too, but they don't say too much. Gotta do a little spinner. Oh yeah, oh he's dodging, I see, okay. Gotcha. That's pretty cool. The only problem is he's kinda out of range and these guys aren't really thinking about it anymore. Yeah, I'm not too sure about this. You're gonna be doing, yeah, doing more dodging around. Nice. I like his dancing. He's got happy dancing feet. Been a pretty chill day so far, just chronoing everyone's guns, which means I'm basically test firing them through a little machine that tells me if the number's too high or too low, meaning they can use the gun or they can use the gun. Everyone today so far had a good gun, which is like 100% normal. So that's fine and fun. Okay, we got one guy moving up, one guy still flanking, one dude in the trench. My man, Chicago. Let's see, I think. Wow. There we go.
This mode has unlimited lives, though players have to take 40 paces away from combat when they die, 80 if they're near or in Straw Hill.
Speedrunning. Speedrunning the 80 pace respawn. That is almost 80. Yeah, that's 80. Yeah. One guy in the trench is not doing too much. Oh. He's tall, he can just shoot right over that thing. Alright, there we go. Ooh, we're still alive. Oh, we got a flanker. No problem. Oh, he's running. Nice, well they got him surrounded now. Nice, okay. Let's see if we can rotate and do a ref checkers.
A ref check is basically where a ref shoots someone playing the game to see if they're actually calling their hits, like, you know, they're actually feeling their shots.
Man, over here to the damn path between that barrel and this one. These are all shots.
That is pretty good.
Finally got them, eh?
Man, it was so cool dodging all the bullets.
Yeah, it was. And the neat part is they all started to land at my feet too, so I was kind of like, well, there's all the shots, so he's definitely missing them.
I was surprised. I thought they were gonna spray me. I was like, oh my god, I gotta dodge and weave.
Right.
Dodge, duck, and weave.
Yeah, no problem. It's all good. You did pretty good. All right, cool. So all the shots they shot are missed, right?
Yeah, they all missed.
No problem then. Yeah, the two guys are waving, but the other guy's like, nah. Alright, we got one guy moving out to eliminate target. Guns running. Not good, but bobbing and weaving. Bobbing and weaving. Nice, okay, he's calling his hits. So like, I'm trying to ref check him for the past hour, but now he's already dead. He's respawning. Right. Yeah, 40 paces away from him, like that direction. What? That direction respawn, that way you're walking away from him and them. Yeah.
Good shot.
There we go. We're not here to hurt each other, we're just here to kill each other. Always moving in. Specifier. Oh, he's dead. Nice.
Staging, host staging, do you copy? Staging here, go ahead. Quick question, what time is it? 12:37. Thank you.
Oh, hey, one guy's going off field, so we got to radio it in. This is Foxy to staging. We have one player moving out for new batteries. It is, I'm gonna get his player number here in a second. Now it's a new mission. Okay, no problem then. No, I think that's what she said. She said she didn't need to get his player number.
It's okay, if you can't see his number, just send it in, no worries.
Okay, yeah, no problem. He's almost to staging right now.
This is Crusader. It's Johnny.
Thank you, Crusader.
Oh, headshot. Woof. You good? I don't think he's okay.
Here to Russ, it is 12:45 or 12:44-ish. I'm going to call 5 minutes if you guys want to call 5 minutes from where you're at.
I'm down with that. 5 minutes left! 5 minutes!
There, Crusader, was I early? You were perfectly fine.
Bit of a trip, that's okay. I got one of them. They only need to kill the other guy now. Oh, dang. Dang, man, dang. They got a game plan. Let's see it, boys. Let's see it. Let's see them win it, Doges. We got Luke flanking on the other side. Maybe he'll distract him. Maybe he won't. We will see.
Luke might be the pivotal piece of this.
One thing he has to keep doing is leave his gun up. That way he can just shoot.
No tactics.
It's all good. I think everyone's just kind of like playing it, basically.
I know. At least I'm good at dodging.
Yeah, that's for sure. They got those bobbing and weavings.
Go, 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 go. Hold up. No, no, he's scanning. Okay. Let me know when he's done.
Nice. We got someone in the trench. That's good. Nice.
I don't know, like gun shooting.
Is it shooting?
Jamming rod.
What? No, I don't have a jamming rod on me. Let me see if one of the other refs does. This is Foxy. Crusader, Hoax, do you guys have a jamming rod? One of our players is having a gun malfunction.
Sorry, I got nothing. Send him back to staging. I do know we have a gun medic kit there.
Yeah, I have to go back to staging.
That's fine.
All right. Wait, what's your player number?
2.
2? All right. Sounds good. Thank you. Yep.
Yeah, it's 2.
Yeah, no problem. All right, this is Foxy. We have player number 2 heading back to staging to get his gun fix. He needs a jamming rod.
What do you say? Should we just call it here? I was gonna call out last minute because they have 1 minute left. I'll join in on that.
Same here. Last minute, 60 seconds! And that's how we handle problems. Yeah, one guy's dead over there. It's kind of up to this dude in the trench now then. We'll make a final stand tonight. Gotta keep his gun up though, bruh. He's dead. Nope, still alive. His gun's broken. His gun's out of commission. That counts, yeah, shooting your gun counts. Game over! Nice job, everyone! And that was that game. Oh, I hope you guys enjoy the perspective of being a ref. It's really boring, but fun.
Has ended. All the players will be heading back.